Hey you guys, welcome back to Journeys with Jay. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I achieved this really pretty, vibrant red cat eye utilizing some products from Model 1s. And this is perfect for the fall going into the holidays. If you guys want to see how I did this, then please continue to watch. To achieve this look, I'm going in with my Model 1's 28-piece gel polish set. It has an array of top coat, base coat, as well as different finishes in gel polish, cat eye, glitter, and more. So pretty, and I cannot wait to use it in today's video. Also, the products I'm using in today's video will be featured below with an amazing discount code for you guys to shop these deals for Prime Day. Let's go ahead and get into the prep. First, I'm using my Model 1's 3-function nail prep, and I'm applying that to all of my natural nails. For the nail tips today, I decided to go in with the medium square soft gel tips from Model 1s. I've just kind of been leaning more into the square and wanted to step outside of my normal Model 1 stiletto nails, and I feel like these were perfect for today's video. I will be applying them with the Model 1's solid nail glue, and I like to apply that right at the base, pretty much where you see the nail is pre-etched. I'm going to go ahead, apply it inside of that, and spread the product across the extension right at that base. The way that I like to apply my extensions is I'll go in about 3/4 back, leaving space at the cuticle and swiping the glue down to the tip of my nail, and then I will go back and apply it at the cuticle, because what I find is with solid gel glue, this really helps to spread it out so it's not seeping out of the cuticle area, and you also don't have too much just flowing from the free edge of your natural nail. I'm also going to just repeat that step for the remainder of my nails. This is what they're looking like. We're going to go ahead and cure it for 60 seconds. And then what I like to do is go in with a 100/180 grit nail file. I'm just using a Model 1's nail file from one of my gel mini salons, and I'm cleaning up the tip of the nails as well as the sides just to ensure that the shape is nice and clean. Once we have the shape where we like it, I'm going to go in with a little buffing block and just remove all of the shine from the surface of the nail. Next, I'm going in with a thin layer of the base coat onto all of the nails, and then I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds. The first color I'm going in with today is the 0629 out of the 28-piece set. And we're just going to do one coat of that on all of the nails, and then we're going to cure that for 60 seconds. Now, I like to be as precise as possible, especially with going in with darker colors, such as black or like a deep red, because cleanup for those can be a lot. And if we just take our time and I can get it really clean the first time, then we don't have to worry about all of that additional cleanup. And the reason why I'm doing a black layer under the cat eye polish that I'm using is because I really truly wanted something a lot more vampy, and the red by itself is so beautiful, but I just wanted that black background just to like really set it off. Once the black is fully applied, we're going to go ahead and cure this for 60 seconds. And do you see how opaque that black is? You don't need two coats, just one will do. And then I'm going in with 2158, also from the 28-piece gel set. And this is going to be the star of the show. Do you see how beautiful that is already? Just wait until we bring out the magnet to really bring in this effect. But as you can see, I'm just going to do one coat of this on top of the black. Two coats is not needed. Maybe if we weren't doing the black underneath, but just one layer of the red cat eye is all I'm going to need. And then I'm going to go ahead and go in with my magnet. Now this is where the effect really comes through. So I like to go around the sides and at the very base and at the very tip, and I'm just essentially going around in a circle until I get this effect here. This is essentially like that halo-y kind of effect, and I'm obsessed. I did repeat this on all of the nails. And to top off this beautiful set, I'm going in with my top coat from Model 1s. With this, I go in with a pretty generous top coat, I'm not gonna lie. I absolutely love this top coat. I love how high shine it is. And so I like to kind of go in with a good amount. Not too much to where it's running off the sides of the nails, but just good enough. Making the sides a bit thinner and then going in with a bit more product down the center of the nail really helps with that, and making sure you cap the edges. And always clean up with a flat brush and acetone, or a flat brush and alcohol. Even if you don't feel like you've touched your skin, cleanup is always still needed. So we're just doing that, and then I'm going to go ahead and cure all the nails for 60 seconds. Okay, you guys, and this is going to be the final product. I hope you guys truly enjoyed today's video and love how the nails turned out. I am obsessed. If you guys want to see me utilizing more colors from the same nail kit, I actually just posted a video and you guys are going to love it. So check out the previous video, and thank you again to Model Ones for sponsoring today's video. Don't forget to shop the Prime Day sales. I will have everything linked below, and happy shopping. I'll see you guys in the next one. Ciao.